Good morning. And so we have reached the end of our first full week back at school, albeit some of us working remotely. But I say this, whether we are working remotely or here at school, we have seen some absolutely fantastic submissions. So it is wonderful, wonderful to see so many of you throwing yourselves into this, full of energy, full of beans, full of enthusiasm, and producing some fantastic stuff, whether it be reception, where I've seen some great stuff, whether it be year 5 and year 6, where I've seen some wonderful, wonderful work on the properties of numbers. It is absolutely fantastic. And so, I have been, not surprisingly, inundated with requests for Headmaster's commendations. And I've had a little look and I've decided, yes, the work I have seen is worthy of a commendation, but what it does mean is that there are rather a lot to hand out. So here's how it's going to work. This morning I'm going to announce the Headmaster's commendation in year reception, year 1, year 2 and year 3. And then in Monday's assembly I will be handing out some more commendations to boys in years 4, 5 and 6. So, without further ado, I hope you're listening carefully. Here we go. Reception first of all. Sim F for creating a beautiful ice lantern. Alex M building a fantastic igloo. How about that? Wonderful. Rishi B for maths and Jessie W for maths. Well done to all of you. In year 1, Jovan B for maths, Aaron S for overall effort, which is always lovely to see. Parim M, I like this one, kind and welcoming, and of course kindness, being kind and caring, is one of our underpinning values here at West House, so that is absolutely fantastic to see, Parim. Well done to you. Tahim A and Caleb C for your egg recount. Now we've been working on recounts in year 5, and it is fantastic to see that we are doing some sort of recount work in year 1 also. So very well done to you. Kyan P for writing. Well done to you. In year 2 we have commendations for Freddie A for maths, Yaya B for maths, Aman B for writing, Zane D for writing, and then 2 commendations for superb science work, Ri Y and Max M. Fantastic attitude to remote learning, Canal K. And then moving on to year 3, we have commendations for Joshua R, 1 for drama and 1 for enrichment. Very well done to you. Feroz K for effort and all-round approach to the remote learning. That is fantastic to see. Well done. Mikhail S for geography. Ari N for enrichment. Thomas G for a superb approach and engagement throughout the curriculum. Thomas, that is absolutely fantastic. Well done you. And then finally for today, year 3 commendations for art go to Alian D, Mustafa E H, Niall H M, Torhid C, Jeevan B, Kyan M and Hassan R. Plenty of commendations there, plenty of fantastic work being submitted, so very well done. We will be handing out more commendations, as I say, on Monday. In the meantime, I want to congratulate you all on the approach you have taken at this start of term when circumstances are so difficult, and I wish you all a fantastic weekend.